I'll guide you through how to borrow money from Cash App without running into unexpected fees or the confusion of finding the hidden borrow feature. If you're looking to get immediate, short-term financial help to cover an unexpected expense, or you want to understand how to leverage your Cash App activity to unlock higher borrowing limits, and so you need to understand how to get a loan from Cash App, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first and critical step to borrow on Cash App is checking your eligibility. The feature won't appear for everyone. Open your Cash App and navigate to the Banking tab on the bottom left, symbolized by the house icon. Look specifically for the Borrow option. If it's not visible, Cash App has not yet deemed your account eligible, as the feature is still in a testing phase for select users and states.
If the option is missing, it means Cash App does not deem your account fit for a loan.
The best way to unlock the Cash App Borrow feature is to set up direct deposit, aiming for at least $300 or more in monthly paychecks. Additionally, make sure you have and actively use your Cash Card and maintain a clean account history with no disputes or chargebacks. This consistent activity tells Cash App you are a reliable user. Once eligible, tap the Borrow option. You will be shown your maximum approved loan limit, which typically ranges from $20 to $400. Use the slider to select the exact amount you need. Remember, the loan comes with a flat 5% finance charge. For instance, borrowing $200 means you must repay $210. This fee is added upfront. After selecting the amount, you must review and accept the official loan terms. The repayment period is strictly 4 weeks, or 28 days. Once you hit Accept Loan, the funds are immediately disbursed and appear in your Cash App balance, ready to be spent instantly. Regarding repayment, you have flexible options. You are automatically enrolled in AutoPay, which will deduct the full outstanding balance from your Cash App on the due date. To avoid surprises, Cash App always draws the money first from your Cash App balance and then charges your linked debit card for any remainder. You can also make voluntary weekly installments or use the pay-as-you-go feature to pay off the loan early. Be aware of the late payment penalties. If you fail to repay the loan by the due date, an additional 1.25% weekly interest rate will begin accruing after a 7-day grace period. Defaulting on the loan can permanently lock you out of the Borrow feature, so use it responsibly. Now that you've learned how to borrow on Cash App, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Cash App video tutorials. Thanks for watching.